A bullish candlestick is formed when the prices closes above the opening price. We get what? A bullish candlestick. So here becomes what? The opening price. This place becomes what? The close price. Here become what? The low of the candle, and this place become what? The high of the candle. This place becomes what? The body of the candle. I am going to teach you how to read a candlestick like a pro, and then the psychology behind the formation of every candlestick you see on the chart. The Japanese candlestick is one of the best language of the financial market. In order for you to become a profitable or a successful forex trader, then you need to understand the language of the financial market. You cannot buy a book that you do not understand the language in which the book was being written. So in order for you to also become a profitable forex trader, then you need to understand the language of the financial markets. Before you place any trade, or before you invest your hard-earned money in the financial market, please, you need to understand what the market is telling you, the language of the financial market, before you invest your hard-earned money in the market. Forex trading is not a scam, but you need to invest wisely. You need to understand what you are doing. Now, candlestick. Candlesticks are used to record the prices of an asset during a specific period of time. That is the definition of candlestick. The Japanese candlestick were being invented in Japan during the 17th century. It was being used to record the prices of rice during that time. Now let's come to the types of candlesticks that we have. We have two main types of candlestick. You have a bullish candlestick or buyers, or we have bearish candlestick or sellers. It's like going to the market. It's either you are going to buy or you are going to sell in the market. That are the two main objectives of going into the market. Gossiping is part of market, but it's not part of the trade, but it's part of human behavior. So that is candlestick. My name is King Jawar FX. Please, if you come across this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to multiple groups. We are trying to build a community. One person cannot build a community alone. We need many people to build a community. Every candlestick gives 4 pieces of information. 1 is the open, 2 is the close, the high, and then the low. The open and then the closing price of a candlestick is very, very important. Types of candlestick: bullish candlestick, and then what? Bearish candlestick. So bullish or buyers, then we have what? We have bearish candlestick. So it's like going to the market. It's either you are going to buy or you are going to sell. Now let's start with what? A bullish candlestick. A bullish candlestick is formed when the prices closes above the opening price. We get what? A bullish candlestick. So here becomes what? The opening price. This place becomes what? The close price. Here become what? The low of the candle, and this place become what? The high of the candle. This place becomes what? The body of the candle. So a bullish candlestick is always formed when the price is open here and the price closes above the opening price. We got what we call a bullish candlestick. Then the second one, we have what we call it a bearish candlestick or sellers. Bearish or what? Sellers. A bearish candlestick is formed when the prices closes below the opening price. We got what we call what? A bearish candlestick. The price open and closes below the opening price. We get what we call a bearish candlestick. Here, this is the low of the candle, and this is what? The high of the candle. This place we can want the body of the candle. So a bullish candlestick is formed when the price is closest above the opening price. A bearish candlestick is formed when the price is closest below the opening price. These are the two types of candlestick. Now let's go to the next one, which is what? The body types of candlesticks. To what? The bearish side. The bearish or what? Or sellers. A bearish candlestick is formed when the price is what? Closest below the opening price. So this is my bearish candlestick, and then what? Another small bearish candlestick. This one shows what? This one shows high momentum in the market. At this time, the sellers were willing to sell more of the asset during what? During that specific period of time. And this one shows that there was low momentum in the market that time. The sellers, they were not selling more of the asset, but they were doing what? They were selling less of the asset during that specific period of time. If we see a big volume candlestick, same for the bearish, and then another short one. This one shows that the sellers are what? They are losing momentum in the market. Assuming here they bought 10, here they bought 4, and then this place they bought 2. Then another scenario, we may see a candlestick formation like this. Then we may see another candlestick like this. Then we may see another large volume candlestick like this. So here, if they bought 4, here they bought 6, and then here they bought 10. So here they are doing what? They are gaining momentum in the market. So at this place, if you try to sell here, you may be out from the market because what? The sellers are losing momentum in the market. And here, if you buy also, it means that if you sell, here, if you sell, you may lose your money because what? The sellers are already losing momentum in the market. And here also you can sell because the sellers are doing what? They are gaining momentum in the market. So I believe at this stage, you understand what a bullish candlestick is, a bearish candlestick is, and then the momentum in the candlesticks. High volume and then low volume candlesticks. You have different types of candlestick shapes. You have to be able to determine either it's a bullish candlestick or a bearish candlestick, and then the psychology behind its formation. Bullish or bias. Most of the times, if you check in the financial market, you may see a candlestick like this. A big candlestick and then what? A short candlestick. This one is very, very common. Candlestick rates a big body shows high momentum in the market. Candlesticks with what? With a big body. The price open here and then the price closes here. It shows what? High momentum in the market. It shows that the buyers are buying more of the asset, or they are buying more of the asset during that specific period of time. Then a candlestick with a short body shows that there is low momentum in the market. The buyers are not buying more of the assets. Then the wick here, the low here, and then the high here. It shows the prices where the market rate. So please, the body shape or the body size of candlesticks is very, very important. Again, also you may see candlesticks like this. Same bullish candlestick. another same bullish candlestick, then you may see what? Another bullish candlestick. This three candlestick is telling us a story in the market. What it's telling us is that the market is gaining momentum. Because this candlestick is small, this one is medium candlestick, and this is a large candlestick. So if assuming this number is like 5, here is 7, and here is what? 9. So the candlestick is what is gaining momentum in the market. The buyers are buying more of the assets. Then at the same time, if we see a candlestick like this also, a large range body candle, followed by this, and then followed by what? This also. This one here is also telling us another different story in the market. This one, the buyers are losing momentum in the market. So assuming here they bought 10, here they bought 8, and here they bought what? They bought 4. So between A and B, the difference is that here the buyers are buying more of the asset. They are gaining momentum in the market. And in this place, the buyers are losing momentum in the market. So please make sure you understand it very well. When the buyers are gaining momentum and when they are losing momentum. So between A and B, here is high momentum, and here they are losing momentum in the market. Now